our new display, setting it up. Mike's turning it on, and away she rolls.
Look her go, man.
Flying away. Making our hydrogen, HHO, with exotic metals and not stainless steel. Therefore, it never wears out. It never pollutes the water. You never have to change it. You like that, huh? Very simplistic. As you can see, there's a bottle rising that's filling up. We'll zoom on that one there. Very good. Good old Mike's going to demonstrate how to light one of these off. Not too close to the dill, of course. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a beauty. Way to go, Mike. Nice job. So there you have it. Our newest display here versus the old one, which right now we stole the battery out of it. That's it there. Of course, then we have a few more items in here with the other generators all over here. These things are planting like crazy, folks. You need better gas mileage and better horsepower? Check the email at hucgen.com. We'll see you over and out.